I was so excited to attend opening night of Cats the Musical at Dr. Phillips Center in Orlando, Florida. Pet Alliance of Greater Orlando also came out for opening night and let people know about taking home a new furry friend. The health and safety warnings have recently changed and all masks were optional at this show. My friend Heather Lopez from Blogging Mamas attended with me, and we were pretty excited to see cats on the big stage. This cast put on a great show that unfortunately wasn't for me, but the audience had a great time, and like I said, the cast did great. We stuck around after opening night because there is a talk back at Dr. Phillips Center after opening night of every new Broadway show.